All right, we are back. I'm doing things a little different this time. I wanted to focus on our crankshaft for just a minute. So last week when we pulled the nose case, we got our main bearing was also removed as part of that assembly. You'll notice that this is the crankshaft that we're looking at now, and there's a rough bit of metal there. That's actually the main bearing journal on the crankshaft. So once we had everything removed, we cleaned that area up. We noticed that there was some severe pitting, which is the type of corrosion you typically would find on aluminum. You can find it on iron and steel also. But in any case, we cleaned this up. This is how it looks now. We're going to have to repair that. Of course, typically if this was going to go back in an airplane, this would be unserviceable. We'd have to, get a new crankshaft. But because this is going back to a museum for static display, what we'll end up doing is just repairing it best we can and then reinstalling the bearing later. But this is, kind of the things that we're finding as we're tearing this engine down. All right, so I've got my makeshift puller again. This time we've got the same piece of electrical conduit, I guess. That's not really conduit. I don't know what it is, but got a nut with a washer there. Comes down the threaded rod. Got two nuts clamping together, two washers, and then two additional ones for support on either side, and we'll just tighten those nuts and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, so the complicated little tool worked. The timing gear, spacer, and cam disc have all been removed, along with the little 1032 key that goes on the crankshaft to keep the timing gear from slipping. So now we are going to work on separating. You see we've already got the nut off on that bolt. Going to go ahead and get the crankcase half separated. So I'll let you know when it's done.